किस तरह का केमिस्ट्री था ऑन सेट?
On set पे तो I think I and she were not there only. We were just constantly the characters. And through the characters, I think there was Rohan and Supriya are so vulnerable with each other and so respectful for each other, and I think that has somewhere seeped into our equation on the set as well. So there, while working, were connecting beautifully, but we were, I think, mostly taking from the characters, and interacting like them, So it was really nice.
Ritik, with every movie you take up some new challenges, and this time also you have taken up a challenge. Like, how difficult was it to behave when you can see everything, but to act someone who can't see? And Yami, for you also, like you went some through workshops or preparations. How much time did that take?
It's difficult, yes, but that's why it's fun. No? I like doing things which are tough because I know what the fulfillment is after you achieve something that you thought was tough. When you do something easy, then the fruits of that is, it's done. So I get bored with that. So I rather do something that is, tough. So what was the second part of your question? The blind. It was difficult, yeah, because I think from all the films that I have done, this was the most difficult skill to prep for, because the eyes are a very small muscle and it's a involuntary muscle. So even your eyelids you can control, but there are times when if there's something passing in front of your face, you'll flinch. And sometimes in the action sequences, I had to keep my eyes open while something passes really quickly in front of my eyes. So that was tough, but we managed well. But apart from that, I don't think an actor's prep should be praised too much. You see the results. If the results are good, you praise that. Actors prep should be a common thing. People should work hard. They should learn that all the being cool and stuff should come after all the hard work is done. So don't start off if this is, I think, a message that is good for aspiring actors, that don't start off being cool. I'm cool like that and stuff. Don't start off with that. Start off with the work. Be a laborer first, and then you'll get your chance. When the results are out, they all love it and stuff. Then you'll be cool. It's like that was easy for me. Stuff.
Yami would like to know from you. Ritik is a superb dancer, everyone knows that. But to match up with his steps, and when
I was matching up to her.
No.
That's the truth.
Please
I am a good dancer. I am a good dancer.
You're an awesome dancer.
But in this song, I'm not saying it means a lot, but it's definitely the truth that there was a particular shot in this film, in Mon Amour, where I saw what she was doing, okay, and I liked that more. We were both doing the same step, but her style was more fun, because she has a natural flair, because she's a very happy person. She radiates that joy. So even in her language, she radiates another kind of joy. So she was using her head also. And I saw that and I said, I want to do it like this. So then I asked her to please come and just show me what you're doing once or twice. And I saw her, and then I copied what she was doing in the
And
song.
after that, I just wanted to pack up and just leave with a lot of happiness that wow, Ritik has said something like this. I have a very weird ratio in my head when I sat down and thinking that, now where should we begin with? I was like, if you want to look half or maybe little half as good, you can't even come near him. Half as good as Ritik, you gotta put in more than double the effort that he puts in. And he works hard. I can't even tell you to what level. That's the reason why he keeps reinventing himself every time, be it any dance form or anything, because he doesn't cease to learn or practice or rehearse. Never in the entire film sked or dance I've heard the word हाँ ये हो जाएगा. Even you can get up and say that's something very simple. Suppose no, let's come together, let's rehearse, let's own it, and then just go for it. So when you see a Hrithik Roshan rehearsing so much and putting his heart and soul in all those hours into it, you are obviously you're inspired and you want to give it even more than 100%, and you feel good that wow, if you know if that's the kind of attitude he comes, and that's true. Huh? I mean, it's not just about me. Anybody, be it dance or anything, has a suggestion or he feels, oh, that's something looking nice, so let's try that. That's an attitude which it doesn't come with any baggage or anything, or I'm expected to talk in a certain way, or I'm expected something is expected out of me. Nothing. Just Hrithik, the actor, Hrithik, the hard-working actor comes who wants, you know, to get the best out of himself and everybody. So when all these things are there, all I have to do is nothing. Just like keep rehearsing till the time.
But you know, it's really true what you said. I just want to add to that is that the point of the rehearsals is not really to you know, look your best or get the step and the angle, all of that right. That's not the end goal. The end goal really is to do the steps so much that it becomes a part of
Yeah.
your system, you know. You absorb it so much and then you can do it your way. Then you just do it, just fly with it and do it how you want to do that step. So then you forget about the angles and you forget about the correctness. You just enjoy it then. So that only comes if you've repeatedly done that a lot of times.
And especially the fact we have to also add that the visually
Yeah,
impaired factor
exactly.
to it. So,
So we had to be perfect in the steps and then forget about the steps and do whatever came to us.
yeah.
So I think that's what makes it special.
Yummy. So,
Ritik.
what is the one thing that you would take back from the characters that you played and implement it in your life?
You know, I think, and probably this is somewhere true for the both of us, that yes, sometimes when you do films, you take back from the character, but I think a lot of the characters in this film actually have us
Yeah,
in it.
in it.
So I think what I can say that I take back is a kind of a benchmark. This film for me is a kind of a benchmark, and I don't want to speak too soon, but at least with the experience that we've had, I think it's a benchmark in our heads. That I will always hope, I will always maybe compare, in my choices when I choose something, is it as invigorating as it was for Kabul? When I read Kabil's script, I felt like this. Am I feeling that now? You know, the environment on the set, how do I recreate that kind of... So it's a kind of a benchmark that has become, at least in my head. So that is, I think, one of the things that I think we can
Yeah,
implement actually.
Totally second.
Yeah.
Ritik,
we had
did you
a
put
word for
Yeah.
Ritik, we
Did
had
you
a
put on weight? Because we see in the magazine covers you are sleek. So what preparation did you go?
Yeah, well, it's easy to gain weight. The only thing I had to let go of is the attachment to the labels. Sometimes actors can get very attached to labels like sexiest, six-pack abs, and he's known for this and he's known for that. I don't have a problem in letting go of that. So for Kabul, I knew that if I look as sharp as I did in Krish or Bang Bang, I would not be being truthful to this character. So I wanted him to look, sweet, and that's how I am. I mean, what Rohan is what I am actually. So it wasn't tough. It was just a decision that, okay, for this film, I'm going to let go of that. People are going to say, "Kya hua tere ko? You've gained little weight, or you've lost weight, or you're not looking in shape and all. What happened to your arms?" वो सब होगा. I prepared myself in normal, in life, when you meet some people, and I've been asked that, "Kya hua tere ko? You're not well?" नहीं, I'm fine.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा फिल्म का म्यूजिक जो है काफ़ी अच्छा कर चुका है, तो मतलब फिल्म का म्यूजिक हिट होना कितना अच्छी बात है फिल्म के लिए, मतलब कितनी आधी जंग जीत ली ऐसा मानते हैं आप?
ऐसा होता तो था, बट आज की डेट में आई एम नॉट सो श्योर. आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट जो भी प्रोमोज हैं या सॉन्ग्स हैं जो लोगों ने जो देखे हैं, द फीडबैक हैज़ बिन सो पॉजिटिव दैट वी आर रियली relieved, happy, excited that the buzz is so positive. We're very happy about that. Sorry, whether it has a consequence or an effect on the box office, I'm not too sure. The promo, yes. I don't know about the songs. I don't know about the song because there are so many songs that have been released that have done 100 million views,
Right.
and the picture's not opened at all. So, you know, I don't know what's going on there. I think
You believe in box office numbers?
believe मतलब कोई, it's not a ghost, it's there. You have to, कोई भूत थोड़ी है. Box office number. Do you believe? I don't believe it exists. It is there. Of course, I believe in them. But I think what you're trying to ask is, do I
matter.
go after the box office
It
numbers? The
matters.
thing is, you can't go after it. You can only do good work. Box office number comes to you. So I have to just, you know, do my work. That's all we can do.
Ritik, you have very fantastic dialogue. If you can tell us one of your favorite dialogue from the movie, both of you.
Oh, there are many dialogues. There are many dialogues.
One of
There
your
are
favorites.
some very sweet ones between Sue and Rohan. Very sweet ones. And yeah, there's some
You know,
dramatic ones.
Yeah, weirdly, it's. I'll steal this answer from Ritik because I heard him say this, and I totally. That's another thing we have in common. If someone asks, you know, आपका favorite dialogue सुनाएंगे, मुझे ना याद रहता है एकदम से और ना मैं कर पाऊंगी, because I think that माहौल is only different. That it's totally different. I don't think I can ever pull it
Ritik, the
off.
one
What
from
we
the-
can say is for you is more and more. That's
Uh-huh.
it. That's the only thing we
Ritik,
can
one
say.
from
We have enjoyed the journey of the film. We have learnt a lot of things. We have connected with some beautiful people in this film.
Totally.
Working with Yami has been, I think, one of the most enriching experiences of my life. वो ना सिर्फ एक बेहतरीन एक्टर है, but also as a human being, she has the abandon, innocence, and the courage to be vulnerable. For an actor, it is so important to have the courage to be vulnerable. क्योंकि only when you are vulnerable can you express your emotions जो अंदर है. Ego आता है उसमें तो you get scared of showing your true self, because what if they think I'm weak or I'm less. So working with Yami has been, you know, beautiful, because she also agrees with the kind of thoughts I had for the characters, and she's just taken it further. I mean, so really honored that I had this opportunity to work with an actor like her. I think she's going to go a long way, and after maybe 3-4 years, I will be saying, I worked with her.
Oh, that is too much. You all.
हाँ,
that
मैंने
is
की
too
थी
much.
एक पिक्चर थी, मैंने की थी उसके साथ.
That is Ritik for you, Ritik. The reason I was asked that, okay, when you wished him, you called him, he's a superstar, but a superhuman. That's what makes him, because he's so modest and he's so humble.
Honest,
And-
I'm honest, not modest. I'm
No.
honest. Anyway.
जब एक मूवी का प्रमोशन होता है या आपसे पूछा जाता है that कि आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था मूवी में या रोल पोर्ट्रे करने में या आपके को एक्टर के साथ, तो एक होता है कि हाँ बोलना, अच्छी चीज़ें बोलना, वो जो सच भी होती हैं, बट when you're just talking, I think when this kind of an excitement and happiness only comes when you really mean it from your heart. And I will always mean it, that I've said I fall short of words while talking about Ritik, because it's working with him, I would say has been a rediscovery kind of for me as a person, as an actor. And I don't think I can ever be so gracious how he is, because जब ऋतिक काम करते हैं, it's never an I. आपको कहीं I, मैं, me नहीं दिखेगा, जो हम बहुत tempted होते हैं. That's the most natural, I think, human instinct or tendency we have. With Hrithik, it's about we. Hrithik सिर्फ जब काम करते हैं, सिर्फ जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि he's not just looking at himself. सिर्फ एक selfless person, एक secure person, and a nice human can only do this, where you want to not just excel at what you're doing, but also want to help elevate the other person's work, and which may not be only me. It could be anybody who's there in the frame or behind the camera, or he's just the reason why he's loved so much by every generation unanimously, and he has all those labels because of the undying passion he has. And you can't lie to a camera. I think you can't be fake in front of a camera as a personality which comes across, and he's so honest, he's so humble. So now I got to know, working with him, why he's a superstar. And you call him Greek god, or we call him God of Dance, and this and that. He's earned it. He deserves every bit and much more this
sweet. Thank
love
you.
is not going to die that we all have for you.
was-
अच्छा